Want to share your YouTube TV subscription with family even if they live somewhere else? Here's everything you need to know. Let's go. Step 1. If you have a YouTube TV membership, go to your profile picture, tap Settings, then Family Sharing, and select Manage to create your family group. You automatically become the family manager. Step 2. Invite up to 5 people. They just need to be 13 or older and have a Google account. Each person gets their own personal library, DVR, and watch history. YouTube won't mix them together. Step 3. Now the location rule. All family members must primarily live in the same household. And here's the important part. Everyone must periodically use YouTube TV from the home location to keep their access. If they don't, you'll either have to update the home area or they'll need their own individual membership. Step 4. For streaming, the whole family shares 3 simultaneous streams. Important. If one person watches on both a computer and a phone at the same time, that counts as 2 out of 3 streams, not 1. Pro tip. Sharing your YouTube TV also lets everyone share other Google services through the same family group, so it's not just TV, it's a full Google bundle. Hope this helped. If it did, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.